Tesla's CEO and self-proclaimed Doge father Elon Musk has again taken to Twitter to defend Dogecoin investors. He's swapping jibes with Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, usually known as CC, over problems with Dogecoin withdrawals on the popular cryptocurrency exchange. How will this affect Doge and the community? This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Elon's latest tweet. Is it helping the Dogecoin community or hurting the Doge? Binance announced in November 11th blog post that it would have to suspend Doge network withdrawals for 10 to 14 days while it resolved technical issues that arose from a Dogecoin wallet update. In a tweet, Binance explained, quote, "The root cause is a technical issue during the recent upgrade process that caused old transactions to be resent to 1,674 users. The platform says it's working with Dogecoin developers to fix the issue." Apparently, other exchanges are not experiencing the same problem because Binance has a different technical wallet setup for Doge, which now needs to be completely rebuilt. Before I move on, make sure to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now, or else Binance CEO and Elon Musk will turn their feud on you for not doing it. Going back, Binance apologized to the Dogecoin community saying, "We recognize that this is not the standard of technical excellence you expect from us, but we're working our best to fix this issue." However, Elon Musk is not satisfied. He told Binance, quote, "Doge holders using Binance should be protected from errors that are not their fault." "Hey, CZ Binance, what's going on with your Doge customers? Sounds shady," Musk tweeted. He was replying to a post from CoinDesk about Binance's efforts to improve relations with regulators. CZ replied, quote, "Elon, we're pretty certain it's an issue with the latest #Doge wallet. We're in communications with the devs." He included a link to a news story about a Tesla technical glitch earlier this month. Crypto platform glitches are not uncommon. Unfortunately for crypto investors, these types of problems happen more often than you'd think, and it can be extremely upsetting if you lose money as a result. From crypto exchange outages during times of heavy demand to a host of temporary technical glitches, cryptocurrency investing has grown so quickly that exchanges sometimes struggle to keep up. For example, when the whole cryptocurrency market crashed back in May, almost all the major exchanges suffered outages, including Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, and Binance, as they struggled to deal with massive surge in trading. Whether users wanted to buy the dip or try to minimize their losses by selling, they were met with frustrating error messages. It's understandable that Dogecoin investors might blame Binance for the current issues, especially as other exchanges aren't affected. If the problem was indeed caused by a Dogecoin update, it's worth at least questioning whether Binance is completely at fault. The newly recreated Dogecoin Foundation hasn't posted any updates in its site since mid-August when it announced its reformation. Dogecoin has produced returns of almost 4,000% since the start of the year. It has a market cap of around $30 billion, which puts it on par with big international companies like H&M and Roku, and yet it's still mostly run by volunteers. Recently, Binance has announced that it'll be resuming Dogecoin withdrawals after limiting the capability for users on the platform. The announcement came when the crypto exchange revealed that it had finally solved the issues that led to it closing Dogecoin with withdrawals in the first place. The crypto exchange also used the opportunity to dive deeper and explain the reason behind the limitation in the first place. Binance gives its users further insights into what went on behind the scenes. The crypto exchange explained that the recent Dogecoin 4 upgrade had been the culprit. For exchanges that had supported the meme coin as far back as 2019, they ran into issues when they upgraded to the latest version, which Binance did, and the issues arose. The exchange explained that it had checked off all the marks that would see them run into the issues that they did, which inadvertently led them to limit Dogecoin withdrawals on the exchange. Basically, the upgrade caused all of the Dogecoin transactions that had been uncompleted due to the insufficient gas fees to reinitiate. This means that user accounts were issuing Dogecoin withdrawals even though they had no Dogecoin in their balances. So the only logical step was to limit withdrawals for the users. Tesla billionaire Elon Musk, a controversial figure among the cryptocurrency community, has once again endorsed the somewhat satirical Bitcoin rival Dogecoin, sending its price slightly higher. The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies are meanwhile struggling, with the Bitcoin price falling to regain ground over $60,000 per Bitcoin, and Ethereum's Ether dropping back from around its all-time highs. Musk said via Twitter that the idea that a decentralized version of the internet that something could use crypto technology will eventually replace the Silicon Valley-centric Web 2.0 sounds like BS, and flagged Dogecoin in a reply to a report that high Ethereum transaction fees are locking investors out of decentralized finance or DeFi. In a way, it doesn't matter whether Binance or Dogecoin cause a problem. For investors, this is a good reminder that cryptocurrency investment is still a relatively new and untested market. Cryptocurrency exchanges can suffer technical issues, poor liquidity, and hacks. Investors might not always be able to sell coins when they want to, and some exchanges do not have 24-hour customer service, especially telephone support. Cryptocurrencies can be subject to hacks, price volatility, and technical glitches, especially during network upgrades. Projects that have full-time developers and staff are more likely to be able to resolve any problems quickly, though that doesn't make them immune. Many cryptocurrencies have produced extraordinary returns this year, which is one reason that more and more people are getting into crypto investing. However, many investors are not fully aware of the risks. They may be tempted to spend money they actually need day to day in the hope of receiving similar dramatic gains. Whether it's volatility or technical failure, these are not totally safe investments. It is wise to stick to reputable cryptocurrency exchanges with good security and customer service. But the best way to protect yourself is to follow the golden rule and only invest money you can afford to lose. That way, any major losses will be frustrating, but won't stop you from meeting your long-term financial goals. So can Dogecoin reach new highs? Overall, the fact that the altcoin has a strong community base indicates that Doge prices can reach new highs. On this note, the Dogecoin price may hit a potential high of $0.974 by the end of 2021. On the downsides, Doge has always been having a pump and dump scenario in space. If this or some external force impacts the meme token, the Doge price may trade at a potential low of $0.201 by the end of 2021. If the altcoin closes this year hitting the highs, then 2022 might start bullish at $0.99. On the other hand, if a bearish trap engulfs, then the 2022 trade might resume at a similar trend at $0.21. The fact that Dogecoin is easy to mine has always kept the altcoin in the front seat. Moreover, this year, the most popular crypto exchanges like Gemini and eToro have listed Doge, causing the price to soar. If the currency gets listed in other familiar exchanges in the coming year, Doge price can soar again and strike at $2.382 by the end of 2022. However, considering the regular buying and selling pressures, the average Dogecoin price may be near $1.639. On the other hand, the fact that the digital currency doesn't still have a great value drives a negative impact on Dogecoin. Many believe it just to be speculation, and if this belief remains unaltered, then the price can slump to $0.474. An increasing FOMO with Elon Musk towards Dogecoin may impact the price to heat up, reaching a high of $7.833 in the next 5 years. Secondly, if Doge could survive with a substantial growth rate in a highly competitive space in the future, the averages shall strike at $5.497. On the other hand, in the coming years, if aspects of the crypto like zero staking rewards and not much functionality impact the market, then its price may fall. Thus, on the downside, the potential low might be around $4.123. The fact that marketers are quite optimistic about the project and celebrities hopping legs can drive Dogecoin into a value that everyone would awe at. So, is it worth investing in Dogecoin? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.